Hey, isn't it too late for this? We're not in June anymore, right?
Hold on, how could he call this a Grimace Shake when it's not even June anymore?
Hey, buddy, you're late to the trend.
Wait a second, it's not even Halloween anymore. You're late to the trend and you're late to the video.
Shut up. I had an idea. So, hear me out. What if we grab a blender and we put things in it? What if we put things like 1.5 ounces of blue raspberry vodka, 1.5 ounces of hypnotic, then 1 ounce of chambord, which is black raspberry liqueur. Then what if we add the same amount, 1 ounce, of strawberry liqueur, which is homemade by the way, same amount of also homemade blueberry liqueur, 1 more ounce of strawberry syrup, two and a half ounces of milk, and a whole lot of vanilla ice cream. What would happen if we blended all that till it looked like a smoothie? Well, we could then serve it in our favorite dessert glass. We could top it up with some whipped cream. We could add a lot of sprinkles and then a straw. And that, we could call it the Grimmest Shake. A late celebration that is just right for the season. Enjoy and stay fresh.